Hi friends, welcome to the zoo. Today, we're going to meet 10 amazing animals. You'll see how they move, what they eat, how they sleep, and what makes them special. Are you ready? Let's go explore together.
I'm a lion, mostly called the king of the jungle. Look at my big fluffy hair around my head. It's called a mane. Can you guess which lions have big manes like mine? That's right, the boy lions. Girl lions don't have manes. We live in wide, grassy places called the savannah. Have you heard a lion roar? That's how we talk to each other. Tiny lion babies are called cubs, and they love to play. I eat meat because I'm a carnivore. It keeps me strong. I can walk quietly like this, or run super fast when I need to. Lions sleep almost 20 hours a day, so I love long, cozy naps.
Let's take a tiny roar break. Can you roar? Great job. Now shake your paws and stretch like a sleepy lion.
Hi friends, I'm Ellie the elephant. Look at my long trunk.
I use it to grab leaves and drink water. I live in forests and grasslands.
I eat plants, fruits, and bark. Yum! I walk slowly but can run surprisingly fast if I need to.
Elephants sleep only about 4 to 6 hours a day, and sometimes we nap standing up.
My huge ears help me stay cool in the sun, and my tusks help me move trees and dig.
Whoa, Ellie is so strong. Now it's your turn, explorers. Stand up tall and stretch one arm way out in front of you. That's your elephant trunk. Wiggle it around. Can you reach high up and grab some invisible leaves? Swish! Now toss it to her.
Whee!
Look at her go. Great job, trunks up. Hi friends, I'm Jerry the giraffe. Look at my long neck. I can reach leaves high in the trees.
I live in the savannah, and I eat leaves, twigs, and fruits.
I wiggle waggle when I walk. Watch my legs. When it's time for sleep, I only need a quick little nap, mostly standing up.
But I also have secret hiding power. My beautiful spots help me disappear into the shadows of the leaves. Wow, Jerry is taller than my whole house. Okay, explorers, your turn. Stand up, stand up. Stretch your neck high. Put your hands up like Jerry's ears. Can you see a pretend yummy star leaf way up in the sky? Reach for it! Now, toss it to Jerry. Whoosh! Yum, yum, Jerry!
Hello friends, I'm Zippy the zebra. Look at my beautiful black and white stripes. They go all the way from my nose to my toes.
I live in the big sunny savannah, and I love to munch on yummy crunchy green grass. Munch, munch, munch! I love to run fast, fast, fast with my friends. Watch us go! Clip, clop, clip, clop!
Did you know zebras sleep only 4 to 5 hours a day? We take many teeny tiny naps to stay super fast.
Wow! Zippy is like a stripy race car. Can you gallop too? Stand up, stand up! Wow! Zippy is like a stripy race car. Can you gallop too? Stand up, stand up! Put your hands out like you're holding a steering wheel and gallop in place. Clip clop, go, go, go! Put your hands out like you're holding a steering wheel and gallop in place. Clip clop, go, go, go! Now give yourself a big stripy hug. Squeeze tight. Great job, explorers! Hi friends, I'm Max the monkey. I live way up high in the leafy green trees. Look at me go! I love to eat sweet fruits, crunchy leaves, and even tiny insects. Slurp, munch, munch, so yummy!
I love to swing, climb, and jump. Watch my tail. It helps me balance so I don't fall. It's like a secret extra hand.
Playing is hard work. Monkeys sleep a long time, about 10 to 12 hours every night. We love to snuggle up together. Phew, all that swinging and jumping made me thirsty. Let's take a tiny break. Huh? What's that sound? Remember to drink some water and have a little healthy snack, just like me. It gives you super explorer energy. Huh? What's that? Remember to drink some water and have a little healthy snack, just like me. It gives you super explorer energy. Huh? What's that? Wait, do you hear that? Oops, looks like someone else wants to talk. Who could it be? Look, through the bamboo it's black, it's white, and it loves to roll. It's Pip the panda. Hiya, friends. I'm Pip. I'm a big fluffy bear from the Misty Mountains. I might look like a giant marshmallow, but I'm very strong. I'm a hungry bear. I spend almost my whole day eating crunchy bamboo. Snap, crunch. I even have a special extra thumb on my paw to help me hold my snacks.
Even though I'm chunky, I'm a super climber. I use my sharp claws to zip up trees when I want to see the view or find a safe spot for a nap.
Eating all that bamboo is hard work. I love to sleep for 10 or 12 hours a day.
Sometimes I sleep on my belly,
and sometimes I sleep in a tree.
Whoa, Pip is the king of naps. Okay, explorers, let's move like a panda. Sit on the floor and tuck your knees in tight. Now give yourself a panda hug and rock back and forth. Rock, roll, rock, roll. Can you make a happy panda sound? Squeak. Great job.
Roar! Hello, explorers. I'm Toby the tiger. I'm a big orange cat with bold black stripes. Aren't I handsome? My stripes aren't just for looking cool, they're my camouflage. They help me hide in the tall, wavy grass so no one can see me. Can you find me?
Most cats don't like baths, but I love the water. I am a super duper swimmer. Splash!
Hunting and swimming make me sleepy. I sleep for a long time, about 12 to 16 hours. I love to nap in the shade where it's nice and cool.
Whoa, Toby is a swimming superstar. Let's try to move like a tiger. Get down on your hands and knees. Now, crawl very, very quietly through the grass. Tiptoe, tiptoe.
Now, on the count of 3, give a big happy tiger roar. 1, 2, 3. Great job, tigers.
Hello, friends. I'm Hugo the Hippo. I'm round, I'm gray, and I love the water. Watch me make some bubbles. Bloop, bloop, bloop.
Even though I'm big and heavy, I'm like a ballerina underwater. I don't really swim, you just bounce along the bottom of the river. Boing, boing. The sun is very hot, so I stay in the water all day to keep my skin cool. I even have my own pink sunscreen that my body makes to keep me safe from the sun.
I love to nap for 16 hours. I can even sleep underwater. My body knows when to pop up for a big breath of air, even when I'm dreaming.
Whoa, Hugo is a champion napper. Okay, explorers, let's be hippos. Stand up and puff out your cheeks like you're full of water.
Now, pop! Blow all the air out. Now, let's do the hippo bounce. Jump up and down in slow motion. Great job, River Team!
Hiya, friends. I'm Flo the flamingo. Look at my bright, bubbly pink feathers. Aren't they lovely? Do you know why I'm so pink? It's because I love to eat tiny pink shrimp and algae from the water. The more I eat, the pinker I get. Slurp, slurp. Look at my special trick. I can stand on just one leg for a long time, even when I'm sleeping. It's my favorite way to relax. Flamingos love to nap. We sleep about 7 to 9 hours a day, usually standing on one leg in the warm water. It keeps our toes cozy.
Whoa! I have 4 legs and I still wobble. Can you balance like Flo? Stand up straight, explorers. Now, lift one foot just a little bit off the floor. Can you stay still? Oops, you wobble, just pretty good job. Balancing stars.
Psst, over here. I'm Luna the snow leopard. I'm very rare and hard to find because I live high up in the cold, snowy mountains. Check out my tail. It's almost as long as my whole body. It helps me balance on steep rocks, and when I get cold, I wrap it around my nose like a cozy scarf. Snuggle. Look at my paws. They are extra wide and covered in fur. They work just like snowshoes so I don't sink into the deep, fluffy snow.
I love the quiet mountains. I sleep for about 12 hours a day, tucked away in a secret cave where it's safe and warm.
Whoa, Luna has the best scarf ever. Okay, explorers, let's pretend we have a big fluffy tail. Reach behind you, grab your imaginary tail, and wrap it all the way around your neck. Ooh, cozy.
Now, give yourself a big, warm hug. Stay still like a hidden leopard. 1, 2, 3, found you.
Hi, Master Explorer. High five. You did an amazing job learning about zoo animals with me today. My shell is so full of memories. We met strong lions, tall giraffes, and so many wonderful animals. They live in amazing places all around the world, from the hot savanna to the chilly, snowy mountains. I hope you had so much fun exploring the zoo with me. Now, explorers, stand up and let's give one final giant wave goodbye to all our zoo friends. Bye-bye, zoo. Bye-bye, explorers. See you on our next Ollie adventure.